Alright, here we go. As I said earlier, I was having problems with my coolant boiling. Well, with the engine making a boiling noise in the car. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take the cap off, and as they call it, burp the engine, which means taking the lid of your coolant cap off while the engine's running, so that it can relieve some of that pressure because it just bubbles in there. So, we have a 1997 Chevrolet Malibu here with about 173,000 miles plus on it, and it's the legendary 3.1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the coolant cap up some. Well, I am out of engine coolant too now, because I had a problem with it a couple of days ago. With one of these pulleys down here, I don't know if you can see it that well, down here had broke. So yeah, that caused my power steering to go out and this delete coolant. So here we go. Let me just grab some water. You should never fill it a little bit more than halfway full of water. So do about 50-50. Check it. You could use a little more. You might as well take the whole cup at this rate. Now, I want to check for some leaks first. Okay, that's about halfway. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start the engine and let the engine start to pump some of it. Now the car hasn't been started since yesterday, so yeah.
Well, it's been proven that children,
yeah, a little bit over 73. So. I didn't know the exhaust system bad as ever though. See a little rust right there. I'm gonna turn the heat on full blast. Yeah, she runs kind of loud. It's the old 3.1 I saw, okay? Yeah.
every life deserves a photo studio. Scorpio bash! Scorpios are free all night, and it's always a cash prize giveaway in the pole dances dance off. Wait a minute. Mr. Chicken.
This speaker's blown too though. Don't know necessarily how much it costs to get fixed, but hey. While we're waiting, it does have a little bit of cosmetic damage. But still though, we'll just get that patched up. The legendary rust. These are Chevy tires, but they're more a performance brand of the tires and whatnot. Yeah. Getting up there. He's getting up there, definitely. So we're starting to get a little warm, I see. Got a ton of wind actually. lot of gunk here. A lot of gunk there from, I guess, over the years of X school and whatnot. I'm just waiting for the engine to heat up enough so it just burps itself. But yeah, overall it's a pretty good car. This is the lightweight here to fix the flat. Hey, we need about 2 more nucleus for the engine. Now that was smooth. Let's see. Let's see.
She got me singing, shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay.
I could probably put some more, put some water in the water fluid too. Get that alarm off. Let me just front the house right quick. Believe it or not, I can actually still hear the stereo. Let's put a little water in here. What you really think about it? That's supposed to be solved by water. I'm gonna run it right quick with this cap up. And there you go.